this is the final video on how to make conch the Haitian way. First, after the conch is boiled and the conch is soft, the meat is soft, you're gonna add some about a teaspoon of olive oil. Then you add some tomato paste in there, and then you put the conch meat in the pot. Then you add some water. You pour some water, about half a cup of water, or if you have the water from the conch meat, then you can add that out as well. Then you're gonna add whole cloves, about 6 of them. Then after 5 minutes, after it's boiled for about 5 minutes, you're gonna add some onions and some lemon juice. Squeeze some lemon juice in there also, and also add some salt. And you don't want to add too much salt because you already added Maggi and some other spices, so you don't want to add too much salt. And also, then after it's boiled, you can add some onions and then butter. And this smells very, very good. So good. Bon appetit. Thank you. From my kitchen to yours. Thank you.